Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a brand called Miss Boo. For those of you guys who don't know, this is a brand by Tata. Affordable makeup and lots of cute little things. I would say it is a direct competitor to something like a Miniso. Today I've got a few things that I have purchased at Miss Boo. So if you're interested in having a look at it, then this video is for you. If you like haul videos, then I have quite a few on my channel. Subscribe to Life Hacks Pro and check those out. Without further ado, let's dive right in. This is Varsha from Life Hacks Pro. I am not entirely sure if Miss Boo has an online store, but if it does, I will make sure to link it down below, or else this could be like your guide to see what all you get in Miss Boo and what is the scope of shopping there. I've also made a shorts about it, so you can check that out. I'm going to link it right here so that you can check that out and see how the store looks. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to dive right into the products. It's a small haul, but I think it's going to be fab, so let's see. First product that I have here are masks. I have got 4 different masks from Miss Boo, and these are just for rupees 99. Cute packaging. Look at all of these look so cute. Okay, so there is not much to say about the masks because I will be able to update about this to you only once I try them. So stay tuned for one of my shots where I'm going to try these masks and tell you how I feel about it. But for now, it's like a normal mask that needs to be put, it's like a sheet mask that needs to be put on your face for 15 minutes and then be removed. 4 different variants that I have here is, one is aloe, this is papaya, this one is goji berry, and this one is the honey mask. I think these are very cute, something like a Korean brand would do. The soft colors and the way the graphics are. Anyhow, what is important is whether they perform as good or not. Up next, what I have is again a part of skincare. What I have here is a lip balm. This is in the flavor lemon pie, and this retails for rupees 49, which is like very affordable as far as lip balm goes. Let me just open the packaging and show you how the lip balm is. So basically, this is a colorless lip balm, right? And I'm going to just quickly put it on my hands and see if it smells of lemon pie. Oh yeah, it definitely smells of lemon. I'm not sure if watching it would make sense on my lips, but I will still do it for you. So this feels okay on my lips. Look at how glossy my lips look. So obviously it's doing the job of a lip balm. But to give you a good review of whether this product is worth it or not, I think I'm going to upload a short about it after using it for a few days, because only then it makes sense. But for now, I think we can sum it up on a place where this is only for rupees 49 and this smells really good. I quite like the lemon smell. So yeah, I mean, I am happy with it. Next item that I have is a perfume. Look at how cute this packaging is. This is a very cute looking packaging. I think I got it just because of the fact that it looks super cute. It's called Rainbow Sparkle. Amazing, cute cap. Okay, I'm obviously in love with the packaging. I shouldn't rant more about it. Let's see what the smell is like. This is like a nice floral vanilla sort of a scent. I like it. I think it is so small, so it'll be easy to carry. Very travel friendly. This is something that you could keep in your purse or in your college bag, wherever you want to keep it, and just smell fresh whenever you want to. This perfume retails for 199 and could be an amazing gift option as well. Up next is a big one, you guys. I got this ice roller from Miss Boo, and I'm going to open it right in front of you. First of all, you get this pamphlet here which tells you how to use this, and then in this bag right here you have the product. I am quickly going to just remove it from the bag, and this is how the product looks. This is how the ice roller looks. All you need to do is basically keep it in your refrigerator, and then every morning just kind of roll your face with it. This is very good for your face and skin. So basically, to keep this in the fridge, what you need to do is you need to remove this ice roller. So you just have to pull this like so, and the roller comes out. Now this roller is something that you keep it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to kind of use it, you need to put it back in and like so, and the roller is ready to use. What this will do is this will help you fight dullness, puffiness, increase your skin elasticity, and give like a nice soothing cool massage to your face. Ice rolling is all over the internet and everybody is doing it. I just wanted to get my hands on it, so I got this. This retails for rupees 7.99. Up next, what I have here is this foldable bag. It retails just for rupees 59, and I think this can be a fun addition to your purse. It will not take up much space and could be like a good bag, like a shopping bag for stuff that you want to carry maybe while coming back home, or if suppose for example you have something extra that you need to carry, it doesn't fit your bag. I think this bag could come to your rescue. Plus, this will also help you to not use plastic bags. I think this is pretty big and it would easily carry a lot of stuff. Also, it looks pretty cool. I think the colors look so cute. I will just show you how big it is by just putting this Miss Boo box in it. So you see, it can easily fit like I think around 2 kilos of stuff in it. I think it is fab. It doesn't take much space and can be like a bag in your bag for whenever you want to use it. I think it is totally worth for rupees 59. Next item, you guys, and the last item on the list is this cute little purse that I got. It's basically a key ring, but I'm planning to attach it to my purse itself, which can like carry my coins and stuff. So this can open from here and there is a compartment here. I'm thinking I can easily put my coins here or maybe like my house keys and kind of attach it to my purse itself from the inside or the outside. I usually end up using like a black or a brown purse, okay? So pink with it I think will look very cute, and I think this could be like a nice statement piece attached to my purse. I can also attach my keys to it from here. This retails for rupees 200. I think this is so cute. It can be an amazing gift ideas. All in all, I feel that the brand Miss Boo is perfect for gifting ideas. There are amazing things like home decoration, vases, makeup, and a few of things like skincare, bath and body, all of these things. They have a lot of different range of products which are very cute looking, so they would be like perfect for gifting, and they're not very expensive, so they are budget friendly. You should definitely check their store out and find out for yourself if you like anything else. If you like this video, comment down below and let me know. Comment a heart emoji if you have seen so far. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Keep coming back for more. Life Hacks Pro signing off. Bye.